He's here? Now? Yeah. I'm sorry, this is going to have to wait. Is everything ready?
All ready.
We're used to doing custom paints and bespoke leathers, but this commission is unlike any other. These ones I don't like. These ones are a little bit too yellow. He kind of had an idea of what he wanted visually, but translating that into something that was fresh and modern really was our greatest challenge.
Well, I was the one that picked up the phone. I'm so glad it was me. This car is going to be something else. A tight deadline, sure, but we'll do it.
Okay, so what we need to make sure that it's luxurious.
Yeah.
To make sure it's bold and really
Oops, sorry. I like to think unusual requests are our forte. If you've got a vision, we can bring it to life. Our customer seemed to know exactly what he wanted, although he did ask one strange question on the video call.
What was that?
He did ask whether our new flying spur, whether it actually flew. I told him that yes, it will. All Bentleys do. Have you got the list?
Yep, I've got it here. I've checked it twice. Night vision, mood lighting, remote heating, snow tyres. So what do you think?
Absolutely perfect.